To my 25 Days of Real Estate Tips Sellers Edition. I am Julissa Rivera, your house doctor. As a former educator, I learned that sometimes inexpensive remedies give you the most bang for your buck. I say this to say to sellers that there are many inexpensive things that you can do to encourage high bids on your home. There are 4 things that you can do to give your house an inexpensive facelift to get more offers. First, pressure wash your driveway and walkway and the front of the home. Second, mow the lawn and trim the hedges. These 2 things can help give your home a clean, well-maintained curb appeal. Third, fix broken screens in the front and in the back of the property. And last but not least, do quick touch-up paints to the interior of the home. These minor repairs won't cost you much, but it will certainly help sell your home faster and for more. For this and more real estate tips, subscribe to my channel. Until next time. Bye.
You ain't seen nothing like this.